everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to pixelate image in Picsart. To pixelate an image in Picsart, follow these quick steps. First of all, open up your Picsart application and make sure that you're signed in. From the main home page, click on the See All button at the top left. From your camera roll, select a photo that you want to edit. Once you go ahead and import the picture from your device's camera roll or any other sources, go ahead and tap on the Effects button at the bottom. Now, scroll through the Effects tab and look for the Pixelate effect or Pixelize effect. Tap on Pixelize and you will be able to apply the pixel effect to your image. Tap on Pixelize once again to bring up the sliders provided for further editing. Go ahead and increase or decrease the amount of pixelization for your image by dragging the white dot left or right. After you do that, you can now apply the effect by tapping on Apply at the top right. And there you have successfully pixelated an image using Picsart application. You can now go ahead and export your project or share it with other social media platforms directly. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.